Hey guys, this is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Studio 3 wireless repair video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a Studio 3 wireless headband. All parts and tools that will be used in this video are available on our website linked below. If you guys have any questions regarding this repair, feel free to comment below and we'll do our best to reply to your comments. So let's get into it. So this is the new headband that we'll be replacing with this. This is a broken headband, as you can tell. So the tools you will need to be using are a T5 screwdriver and a pry tool. So the first step, you want to fold your hinge and unscrew these two screws with the T5 screwdriver on both sides. So have to bend this hinge. Once you got the 4 screws out, you can pull out the broken part, just like that. Now use the pry tool to pry up this headband cushion. All it is held on clips. So you just go all the way around and that comes off. There's another broken piece. So at this point, what you want to do is install the new headband. So place one end in. Make sure you got the correct side. The B always faces the hinge that says wireless, and the S faces the Studio 3. So when you place one side in, you can place the other one in, just like this. Make sure the wire is firmly against the headband. And now we'll be installing the headband cushion. So don't worry about these little things here. They just go ahead and start clipping them in from one side to the next. Okay, so once you got that, now we gotta focus on tucking these little flaps in. So what I'm gonna do is kind of pull this back a little bit and tuck the wire into the hole. Bend the hinge and go ahead and screw it in once you have the headband cushion properly aligned inside the hinge. Alright, now once we're at this step, we can do the same as you did on the other side. Kind of just force this rubber down. Make sure the little flap here is behind the wire. And now we can, if there's too much headband cushion coming out on this end, you can always start pushing this headband to the other opposite end. That way it makes it a little shorter and fits everything. So we got that in. We can screw this hinge in. So if you have a little crease here, go ahead and just work the headband cushion back up towards the headband, and this should get all those creases out of the way. And now everything is flush. Headband is in. And there you have it. That's how you would replace a Studio 3 wireless headband. Once again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. We'll do our best to reply to your comments. Have a great day.